Hello and welcome to this short video from the Register of Sheep Advisors on how to register a CPD event. So firstly, this all starts on the Register of Sheep Advisors website, which I'm on here. I'm on the home page. And the first thing to do is you've got to log in to the CPD Event Organisers page. So as you can see here on the home page, there's a login button. So I click on that. Now, if you're not already signed up as a CPD event organiser, that's the first thing to do. There is another video available on this to talk you through that process, but you'd click the Become a CPD Event Organiser button here and go through the application form. But I'm already signed up as a CPD event organiser, so I'm going to put my username in here, which is my email address. And then I've put my password in here. I'll log in, and this is the CPD Event Organisers section on the website. Now what I want to do today is I want to register a CPD event to be recognised with ROSA CPD points. So if I click register event, you've now got an option here to copy a previous event, but I'm actually going to not do that. I'm just going to do a new event today. You select the main contact for your organisation, so that'll be me. And you have to put in your title, and that event title has got to be unique. You then, so I'm going to do a CPD event today on grassland establishment, a webinar that we might be running. You can then publish this on the website, so that means that people can go onto the CPD events page on the ROSA website and see it, and you can then select a venue, so it might be a new venue. So for example, mine today is going to be Zoom. Click next. So now you've got to choose the event activity type that it's going to be. So in this case, it's a webinar. It's going to be for 60 minutes, and I'm expecting about 50 attendees here. So what you can do now is you can then have to provide a description of the event. So I've written one here that I'm going to paste in, and I've just got some made up speakers who are going to be talking at the event. So just give a brief description on what will be covered, who will be covering it, and the kind of structure for the event. You can also add supporting articles in here, such as agendas or syllabuses. And then finally, you will explain how participants' learning will be kind of evaluated if that's going to happen. So, for example, you might be doing a face-to-face event where you have some discussion at the end or a test, but in this case, there's going to be no evaluation. Now, we're going to put in a start time for this. So let's say we're going to do it on the 2nd of August at 8 o'clock, and then we're still going to be on the 2nd of August, and we're going to finish it at 9 o'clock. Okay. Now you can also here provide information on the trainers who are speaking. So you might put in that it's John Smith, who's a trainer. He might be based in Derbyshire, D61EY his postcode, and he might have a membership number here. He might be a member of ROSA, and we can then see who is actually delivering the training. And then finally, there's an option here to submit a bit more additional information. So that might be where the event's taking place, or the fact that it's part of a bigger event, or that the event is actually going to be replicated all over the country, any information like that. And then you click submit. And as you can see, you get a thanks for your event application, and we'll be in touch shortly. You'll get back is an email that looks like this. So this is just to show that your submission has actually worked. You'll have a submission code, so in case you need to get back to ROSA about anything, then you can quote that submission code. And then what you get is then you'll actually get an email once your event has been allocated CPD points. So as you can see, it explains a bit how your attendees can register for the event, and also provides a register for you to complete through there. So I'll just show you the register that comes with the email. So this is what it will look like. It tells you what the course title is, what the date is, and also the unique ROSA reference number. And it also shows you what category the CPD point has been allocated to. So for each event, we categorize it depending on what topic is being covered, and that's to ensure that all our ROSA members are getting a good coverage on a range of topics. So in this case, it's the grassland establishment webinar, and it's been categorized as covering soil, grass and forage management. Now, this will be provided as an Excel spreadsheet. So what you can do is when you are doing your webinar, you can even get people to register with their 200 number and their name and a postcode, but you only need to provide that if they don't know their ROSA account number. Mail this back to ROSA at sheepadvisors@basis-reg.co.uk. Like I say, the other way to register people's attendance is through the CPD event organisers area on the ROSA website, and I'll show you how you complete that in the next video. So thanks for watching that today. I hope that explains a bit more about how you register an event for ROSA CPD points.